DWG is a file format used to store 2D and 3D graphics. It is an image format that is supported by various CAD packages like AutoCAD, Draftsight, BricsCAD, etc. Sometimes, you are required to convert your DWG file into other file formats, and you search for an appropriate technique. Here, we bring you an efficient and simple solution that can change your DWG files into various file types. DRS AutoCAD DWG Converter. DRS AutoCAD DWG Converter provides you with various incomparable features. Let us see the most prominent features. The application supports all AutoCAD files like DWG, DXF, and DWF. You can add multiple DWG files at once and convert them simultaneously. It can convert DWG files created by Draftsight, IntelliCAD, BricsCAD, or any other tool. There is no file size limitation. You can convert a DWG file of any size. The utility works efficiently with all versions of Windows OS. There are certain necessary conditions you need to fulfill to use the software. You need to run the tool as an administrator. Turn your Windows firewall and antivirus off to use the application. You must have strong internet connectivity. Till now, we have discussed the features of the DWG Converter tool and the prerequisites to use it. It is time to learn how the DWG Converter works. First, visit the official website of DRS Softech and search for AutoCAD DWG Converter. Download and install the application. Run it as administrator. Now, you will see the interface of the tool. In the left section, you will see 4 buttons: Add File, Add Folder, Remove, and Remove All. The Add File allows you to add single, as well as multiple AutoCAD files. Using the Add Folder button, you can add a complete folder of DWG files. The Remove option helps you to remove unnecessary files from the list. Similarly, the Remove All button will remove all the selected files at once. Click on the Add File button to add the desired AutoCAD DWG files. After that, locate the desired AutoCAD DWG file from your system. Select it and press the Open button. All the selected files will get added to the list. Click on the Next button to proceed further. Expand the list in the Save File As field and select the desired file format. Here, we are selecting the PDF file format, but you can choose any option as per your requirement. The Log button allows you to manually choose the saving location for log files. After that, click the Destination button and define the location to save the resultant file. Finally, press the Convert button to initiate the DWG conversion. Wait for a while when the tool converts the DWG file into PDF file format. After successfully completing the file conversion, you will see the resultant file. This is the complete working procedure of the tool. After following the above steps, you can convert your AutoCAD DWG files to any desired file format. Visit our website to download the software. If you have any queries related to the product, please contact us at the mentioned emails. Thanks for watching the video.